animals? I love them! Today we're going to learn about aquatic animals. I'll dive in to show them to you. It grew dark again. I'll use my underwater flashlight to find them. I can see something over there. Which animal would that be? It's a seal. Seal. Just like the Smile and Learn seal. Seal. There's another silhouette over there. What could it be? It's a dolphin. Dolphin. Dolphins are very intelligent. Dolphin. What's that animal over there? It's a shark. Shark. Sharks are very dangerous animals. Shark. I see something down there. What could it be? It's a turtle. Turtle. Did you know that turtles live many years? Turtle. Whoa! There's a gigantic silhouette over there. I sure know what that is. It's a whale. Whale. Whales are enormous. Whale. There's something tiny over here. It's a clownfish. Clownfish. I love this type of fish. Their colors are so beautiful. Clownfish. And that weird thing over there? What is it? It's an octopus. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms. Octopus. There's another tiny silhouette down there. What could it be? It's a crab. Crab. Crabs have claws. Crab. What's that over there? What is it? Wow! It's a seahorse. Seahorse. Seahorses are so cool. Seahorse. I can see another silhouette back there. It's a jellyfish. Jellyfish. Careful with jellyfish. They sting. Jellyfish. I can't see any more aquatic animals. Well, shall we recap them? Seal. Dolphin. Shark. Turtle. Whale. Clownfish. Octopus. Crab. Seahorse. Jellyfish. I think it's time to get going. Help!